this marked off. Then we are looking for a breakout from really basically anything like this. That's what I'm looking at. However, I do see these down here, and this is a demand zone. But when that 9 p.m. volume kick in, we just push in that direction. So I want to see what price do. We got not long. Right now, price seems to be stalling out of this area. I don't want to drag this over here like that so you get a better picture. Came back, came down, retested, then sold off. Came back up, tapped, and we dropped again. So I want to see a price break through here. We're taking sales. We can get above here. We long it. Shit, long. We did. Cause like for gold, really like any counter that's like 3 points or higher, I consider that to be like decent volume. Like that's pretty good. Cause a lot of times them candles be super small. You get like 3 to 4 points of a candle move, then that's like $300 to $400 with a standard mini contract, which is what I will be trading with, risking $250 per trade. So stop loss would be 2.5, 2.5 points, basically. Looking to make like 2.5 to 5 points. So anything over like a 1 at a 1-1 or over. I like it selling off though. Sell it good. We'll look to take sales here. Like I said, I do want to see if we can push through though. And my thing is how I look at when we have a structure being formed, right? You want to take the closest one for the breakout. At least that's what I've been seeing. Because say like I wait till we get down here and then I take a breakout at this level, likely price is gonna come back and retest in this area, which would be too big for my stop loss and then sell off. So I could like also wait for the breakout, but then again, it's like the way I trade. Usually I just get in whenever we get the break through the zone. So that's how I like to rock. But once we get a closure under this 13, which is gonna be this red, and we get on this level, then I'm looking to take sales. So it's like it's selling off pretty nicely though. So we get some movement here.
Stop filled.
All right, so I'm in this sell position now. Let's see what we can do. It's up to the market now. What we do here. I just gotta let this shit play out. Only thing I like about the Take Profit Trader Pro account is the fact that it has an intraday challenge drawdown. That's the only reason I actually feel kind of like a little like nervous almost when trading, because I'm not used to that. Because like end of day trailing drawdown, I can hold this trade and be confident in me holding it, but like it's different now because like we have that intraday challenge drawdown, which is like the issue. Because even though I'm in profit, my challenge drawdown still move. Even if I was to leave it at break even and let it rock out once I go in profit, like that's stupid to me, but that's what it is. So whatever. But yeah, like I was saying, bro, we had the rejection from the zone. We rejected a few times from it. And normally when I take gold trades, if I don't take a breakout, I'll look for this type of setup where we have a rejection from a strong support or a resistance level. And then we'll get a strong candle that come in as momentum and close through the zone or close through the 13 EMA. And then I'll look to get in. I could have waited for the retest. I feel like right here would have been good. I feel like my stops might be a little too tight for this. So we're going to see. And I know for a fact my intraday trailing drawdown moved up $30 or $60. Or did it? It was 30. I think it was just 30, but I don't know. That type shit, man. This might be an L though. Let's see. If it is, then we'll wait and see if it want to sell off again, or I'll look to see the break of the candle on the next one. Because if it do that, then I think that price would start buying up, but we getting a sell off, so that's pretty good. I kind of want to see how this play out. We up a nice little bit. It's moving now. We got some movement. If I see like my 1-on-1 300 or more, bro, I'm probably just gonna exit the trade. It'd be a real quick ass trade. I'm not gonna lie to you, and then we'll be done for the night. But this look good though. see how we look on the one. On the 1 minute, we touching this 200. So price has to get through this 200 right here and not reject from this area. Like that. So hopefully we probably come up and retest off this area a little bit more. So price like could come back up in this area. Look like, what is this? The 777 flat. Price could come back up into 777 flat and then continue to drop if we don't just go ahead and push through this 200 on the 1 minute. Hopefully we push through it though. That'd be nice. I think we're about to hit. No, we still got a minute left on this candle, so just let this candle play out and do its thing. It gave me a strong close, or not a strong close yet, but it's dropping. So I'll say that. It gave me a strong close yet, but we dropping. We just gotta see how it play out. Like I said, bro, I see like 300 exit and trade. I'm good. Come back tomorrow, probably trade New York session after market open though. Let's see what the market's talking about. Hopefully we can get through it. It's still rejecting from the 200 on the 1 minute. There we go. Push through, push through, push through. We don't have that much time left on this candle, so hopefully this next one come in and flood too, to be honest. So I want to move it to break even yet. I haven't seen a 1-on-1, and then also just the fact that the I feel like we'll hit that next zone is what I'm thinking. And this candle closed like really deep in this zone. I kind of should trail this down, I feel like, at this point though, to the top of this candle. I still want to give it a little breathing room. I'm out.
Order filled.
Order filled. Trade's done for the day. We could keep going, but we also have this 50 right here on a 5 minute that price likely could reject from. Like I said, with the take profit trader account, bro, if price can be going in my favor and I still be fucked up because of the trail and drawdown, and if it reject and come back and retest this level, which I think we will retest this level at some point, I don't want to be a part of that because it's like I'm losing money basically, even though I'm winning this, which is fucking stupid to me. But I said anything from like 250 to 300, I was gonna exit the trade. I did see 250 when I tried to exit, but it gave me 235. I'm cool with that. 1-on-1 basically for me, and that's all I'm gonna be targeting with this account, I think, for the most part. I could have got a little more, I guess, but I'm fine with what I just got. Yeah, it looked like we might reject here and then push back up. I don't want to be a part of the trade if it does that. So first trade on take profit trader account, we got a dub. Nice. But yeah, I'm gonna run through it one more time. I kind of do it on, because you can see this is the pro account, because you see the pro in there. I'm gonna go, yeah, you see 235 on the night, real quick, 1-on-1. I'm gonna bring this over so you can see this dropping. So that's nice though. Either way, with gold, what I've been noticing is we'll have like a lot of volume now to come into the market around like 9 o'clock. That 9 candle is like kind of like a market open candle almost, in a sense, is what I've been noticing with gold. It'll have a lot of volume around like 7 and then 8 and then 9, but it's like at the top of the hours that I be seeing for real. And last week when I was trading gold, because I've been trading gold since last week really, so I've been liking gold since last week or whatever. It's been nice. But we'll see that price will come in around like 8 o'clock, and then we'll get a little bit of volume, and then it'll kind of like chop out a little bit. You can see right here, price didn't really move too much around this point in time. It was like usually like at the beginning of the hour. This is the 8 p.m. candle, and then price had a movement in one direction. Same thing with the 9 p.m. candle. Price had a movement in one direction. I don't think it did it for 7 today, but I wasn't looking to trade at 7 anyway. I was just waiting till 9. That's when I wanted to trade. And that's kind of what I'll be doing all week for Asian session. And then what I've been noticing for New York is that we kind of chop out, especially the last 2 days, we really chopped out and we made the move later on. So I don't really want to be a part of that, right? So I'll be looking to trade after market open, but it'll probably be YM because I've been noticing that YM has been moving pretty good lately as well. And price is still moving. I'll be up even more right now because I got it somewhere around here. I'll be up probably around like $500. So could have held a little longer, but I'm not mad at it. Like I said, I think previous day low is going to be the target, bro. Either that or we just come down to retesting this level and we push back up. But for us to come back down this hard and break structure, I think previous day low is going to be the target. It just makes sense to me from a higher time frame perspective, especially because we have that engulfing candle on the daily, right? So we had this engulfing candle on the daily. This is previous day candle, and it engulfed this candle. So I think price is going to come down down here where I have these green markers. I think price will come back and retest in this level before going higher. So I think previous day low is going to get taken out. And I'll be looking for that in the morning as well also to see what we do. Or maybe later tonight, like, because also at 2 a.m. price also moves. But I probably won't be trading for the rest of the night, to be honest. I think I'm just going to walk away and take the little quick dub and leave the market alone, bro. Just keep following my plan until I get to above that $1,500 buffer. And then I'll be able to take daily payouts. Because, like, to me, that's cool. Like, even if I only made like $300, but that's still like $200 in a quick payout I can take for the day. But me really being on the charts doing nothing, you know what I'm saying? And then I still have like the other accounts to trade as well or whatever. I don't have nothing through Top Step right now. I did take a payout last week though from Top Step, and then end up losing the account after I took the payout. I just haven't been recording lately just because I kind of been in a funk, honestly, bro. Like trading hasn't really been going in my favor the way I would have liked. It hasn't been like terrible. Like I still been like winning and stuff. And like I said, I had the Express account, got a payout from the account, but which is that actual $500 was actually like one of the lowest payouts I've ever taken. I don't know. It's just, I was like, you know what, bro? I kind of fought hard to get this payout because that account was in drawdown. I was battling. I was like, fuck it. Whenever I get to 5 days, I'm just going to take the payout. So I did. So it's one of my smaller payouts, but I don't know. I kind of been in a funk lately with trading and just been really, you know what I'm saying? Just trying to manage, you know what I'm saying? Like I had to tell myself today, I was like, damn, bro, I give myself grace, bro. Like I really been doing this for like a year and a half with no mentor, like no other person really telling me what to do. Like this has all been me and the research that I've done from my brain to get to this point where I'm actually considered somebody's mentor, low key. And I've helped them get a payout actually, which I think you probably seen him in the videos or heard him, Keen. But me and Kev, we've helped him get a payout, you know what I'm saying? And I've helped my other bro pass an account trading as well. So it's like, I just got to give myself grace sometimes when I think about it. And I've locked in over $20,000 in payouts this year. My first year trading, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. Is just when you kind of compare to what other people doing, it make you kind of second guess yourself and think you're not doing as good. So had to get out my own way, I feel like. But like, I feel like with this account though, we really gonna, you know what I'm saying, do what we need to do. And honestly, like I said, bro, I'm just gonna be looking for setups like this on gold, bro. Just quick breakouts, bro. And yeah, I'm kind of happy to actually make this video because I'll be able to upload it. I haven't uploaded a trading video in a while, but without further ado, man, that's all I got on a better living.